Good morning students. Welcome back to the e-learning classes. Now today I will revise your chapter Web of Life. Okay. Today I will discuss extra fill in the blanks from the chapter Web of Life. So all of you open your EVS copy and write down quickly. Okay. So first one, number 1. All of you see the board. Number 1. Okay. Human beings, plants and animals dash on one another, one another. Okay. Next, number 2, that is no one can dash without each other. Without each other. Number 3, a product which is a waste for someone is the food of someone else, and so on. So on. This is called dash. Okay. Next, number 4, that is wood comes from dash. Number 5, that is number 5. Okay. Number 5, bricks are made from dash. Okay. Bricks are made from dash. Number 6, we get clay from the dash. Okay. We get clay from the dash. Next, number 7, we get dash from river, ponds, wells, etc. Okay. So all of you see, number 1, human beings, plants and animals dash on one another. Human beings, plants and animals all depend on one another. D-E-P-E-N-D, depend. D-E-P-E-N-D. So answer is depend. D-E-P-E-N-D. Depend on one another. Next, number 2, no one can dash without each other. No one can survive. S-U-R-V-I-V-E. S-U-R-V-I-V-E. So answer is S-U-R-V-I-V-E. No one can survive without each other. Next, number 3. A product which is a waste for someone is the food of someone else, and so on. That is called web of life or life cycle. Okay. Anyhow, so that answer is web of life. Web of life. Next, number 4. Number 4, that is wood comes from tree. So wood comes from tree. T-R-E-E. Next, number 5. Bricks are made from where? Bricks are made from water and clay. Answer is water and clay. Number 6. We get clay from the soil. Okay. We get clay from the soil. And next, last one, that is we get dash from river, ponds, wells, etc. We get water from rivers, ponds, wells, rain. Okay. So we get water. So I repeat again, human beings, plants and animals depend on one another. Number 2, no one can survive without each other. A product which is a waste for someone is the food of someone else, and so on. This is called web of life. And wood comes from tree. Bricks are made from water and clay. We get clay from the soil, and we get water from river, ponds, wells. Okay. So today's I have completed up to fill in the blanks. Okay. So thank you, students. Bye bye. Have a nice day.